Today we're making smothered potatoes. Ingredients include 2 russet potatoes and half of a yellow onion, salt, thyme, black pepper, cayenne, garlic powder, paprika, and onion powder. Now let's peel our potatoes. Once you get them peeled, slice your potatoes. Heat some olive oil up in the pan. Add your sliced potatoes in the pan. Now add your yellow onion. Add all your spices. Add a pinch of salt. Add water and allow it to cook down until the potatoes are soft. Cover them with a lid. After a couple of minutes, give them a stir. Continue to cook down until they're soft. Now let's plate our potatoes. We're gonna add sweet potato biscuits to our plate as well. Time to eat!